Hey guys, welcome to another video. What's going on? What's going on? So guess what I got today? I got the iMac. It's mostly for video editing. However, I'll probably use it for other stuff as well, but mostly for video editing because it is a desktop. I am getting into automobile YouTube videos. So if you're into automobiles, if you're into cars, if you're into manual cars, please do subscribe because I bought a car. It's a surprise video coming up in the next few days to maybe a week or so. So do subscribe, but I'll talk about that more in the later videos. Today we have the iMac, so let's get started on that. My MacBook Pro that I've had for years now has been really slow. I mean, the iMovie app crashes. Sometimes it doesn't work at all. I lose some editing that I've done before, etc., etc. So I decided to get the iMac. I was on a bit of a budget, or else I would have got the MacBook Pro again, the high end, of course, because this one has a lot of storage compared to the MacBook Pros. The MacBook Pros, so I guess comparing it, this one has 1 terabyte. It has a Fusion drive, it's not SSD, but either way, the MacBook Pro had around $258, I believe, and that was $200 or $300 more than this. And that storage is definitely not enough for me, and the bigger screen is obviously better. I did prefer a MacBook Pro, but on a budget, I think this made more sense. So let's get to the video. I'll show you the specs and I'll do a quick unboxing video and maybe a setup video. So let's do the specs first. As you can see from these specs, it's a 21.5 inch iMac with 4K display. That's another feature that the MacBook Pro didn't have, the 4K display. So it has 3.0 gigahertz, 6-core Intel processor, and it's i5, which has the graphic chip in it. So that's definitely a plus for iMovie or Photoshop or whatever, movie editing, video editing, with turbo speeds up to 4.1 gigahertz, which is amazing. 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. I'm planning on increasing that to 16 gigabytes when the time comes. Like I said, 1 terabyte of Fusion drive. Radio Pro 560X with 4 gigabyte of VRAM. FaceTime HD camera, 2 Thunderbolt through USB-C ports. So let's get unboxing. Here we have the MacBook itself. I think the best way to unbox it is this green little spring where you just do that and it comes off. So without unboxing it, the front you see has iMac itself. On the right we have the Apple logo. On the back we have the iMac picture of its body. We have the logo again with the serial numbers and whatnot. So since we pulled this little stringy out, let us form the unboxing. So I'm just gonna lay it down, open it up. Maybe laying it down was not the best idea. I guess before we go any further, you can see the iMac's back right there. Here we have the keyboard. I'm assuming it says designed by Apple in California. There's nothing else on the round, on the side, so let's get this unboxed. It slides right off. Yep, it's the keyboard, as you can see, and the mouse. So we take the keyboard out. Here's the keyboard. Put that to the side. We get a little booklet, and then we get our USB Lightning to USB adapter there. And then here's the mouse. Taking the mouse out, it's a traditional Apple mouse, as you can see. Nothing different. I'm sure it comes with a battery. When we turn it on, maybe it does not. We'll figure that out later. Or it's a Bluetooth, not sure. Let's see what comes in the booklet. Once we open it, you get the iMac with instructions and where everything is. And as you can see in the back, we have the headphone jack, the USB 3, the Ethernet cable, the power button, and on the front it tells us about the apps that it has. Putting that to the side, seems like instructions. We have the Apple stickers as usual, and then we have a cleaning cloth. That's pretty cool. Or is it a cleaning cloth? Yeah, it's a cleaning cloth. That's pretty neat that they add a cleaning cloth with it. So I'm gonna put these to the side. The keyboard is as usual keyboard. I think I gotta connect it first with USB Lightning there, the port we have. I can open this as well. Let's see what we have. Slides right out of the package, maybe? No? Okay. So put those to the sides. You can see it's regular keyboard. On the top we have the USB-C or USB Lightning. On the sides, nothing. On the back we have a cool Apple logo. It's a nice glossy finish. On the edges of it, we have our high raiser to raise the keyboard from the desk. Here we have an on-off switch, and then yeah, that's pretty much it. What else do we get in the box? So here on the side, we have the our power cable. It's pretty long. Let's put that to the side. Styrofoams, we throw that to the side, and here we have it. Put this to the side, and here you have the beautiful 21.5 screen. Let's take this off as well. And there goes that. So let's turn this to the side, to the back. We got the headphone jack. We got our 3 or 4 actually USB, and then the lightning ports, and then Ethernet cable, the power button, and then here down here we have our power adapter. So that's that, guys. Unboxing. We have another sticker down here. You can take this out or leave it on, up to you, personal preferences. I'm gonna take it out. So that's all that comes in the box, guys. I'm gonna clean this up a little, and then I'm gonna power it on, and then I'll be right back with you guys. All right, guys, here it is. I set it up. It's on the desk. It's on the desk. It's all ready for go. Setting it up, they asked me if I wanted the dark theme or the white theme. I chose the dark theme for some reason. Maybe it's because it's bright in the room right now, but it looked a lot better and cleaner, so I did that for now. But it looks super clean, it looks super nice. The 4K display really does show, especially using my 2010 MacBook Pro. It is a big difference. The Retina displays on the MacBook Pros, I'm sure you can't really tell the difference, but my old laptop was obviously not Retina, so I can tell the difference. And it does seem pretty fast. So if I go to apple.com and it opens it up in 2 seconds, literally not even 1 second probably. If I click on Mac, I'm going to show you guys the version I brought, the iMac, and then if I go to buy, you can see it's snappy. It opens up really quick, really fast. So the version I bought is this one, the Retina 4K 3.0 GHz 6-core processor with Turbo Boost up to 4.1 GHz with 1 TB of storage. I was stuck between the two, but after talking to the representative and doing some research, I went with the higher model one, which is only $200 more, so I think it's worth it. This one has its own specialties, especially having 1 TB hard drive compared to the Fusion drive and whatnot, but I'll get into that later. What comes in the box, as you see, is the iMac, the power cord, the Magic Mouse, the Lightning to USB cable, and the Magic Keyboard, which we have here. Magic Keyboard, Magic Mouse, the screen itself. You do not need batteries. It's all Bluetooth, and within the setup process, sorry I couldn't get the setup process for you guys. It tells you what to do and everything, but this is it, guys. If you're a student, yep, so it's $1,500. As a student, it's $1,400. So you save $100. If you're a YouTuber, I'll let you know how it is, how it's editing, how fast it is, etc. I don't see iMovie down here. Maybe I'd have to download it, but I'll try it out first. I'll test it out for you guys, and I'll make an update video on it. But so far so good. I like it. The bezels I don't like too much, but I mean, it is a desktop, so it doesn't bother me that much. But here's the setup. It's very nice. Fits right on the desk. It's a small desk, but it's a good setup. So I am going to be switching to a lot of car videos, so if you're into that, please do subscribe. If you're not, sorry, maybe mute the notifications for now, but won't be doing a lot of unboxing. Definitely a lot of car fixing videos. I got a project car that I'm going to be modifying and fixing up, so I'll be doing or performing a lot of car videos. If you're into automobile and fixing up on project cars, please do subscribe, just so you know, a heads up. But I'll see you guys in the next video, so leave your comments down below, put a likes up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.